Syva laboratories, we provide solutions for permanent improvement of animal health and welfare. We have 80 years' experience in the development, registration and manufacturing of vaccines and antibiotics. Our facilities provide high capacities to execute contract manufacturing projects for vaccines and beta-lactams. We own 3 manufacturing sites, all located in Spain. One of them is fully dedicated to the production of beta-lactams-based drugs. It has 2 manufacturing lines, one for injectables and the other for intramammary ointments. Our facilities are equipped with the most innovative technologies in the field of aseptic manufacturing. Its capacity and automated processes allow us to manufacture more than 30 million units per year. All meet high safety and quality standards. Our commitment to quality is proved by several certifications, mainly the European GMP, but also others as the Turkish one. We offer technical, regulatory and scientific support during the technology transfer and manufacturing phases, as well as distribution support along the supply chain. Committed to your objectives. Please get in touch with us for more information.